Got questions about tire chains? You're not alone. Today, we're answering the 10 most common questions people ask about tire chains. Quick, clear, and without the fluff. Number 1, are tire chains legal in my state? Laws vary. Some states require them in the winter on certain roads and mountain passes. Others ban them in certain situations. We've got a full breakdown on our website. Number 2, chains versus cables versus socks. What's the difference? Chains, heavy duty for best grip in deep snow, ice, or anywhere you need serious traction. Cables, lighter, easier to install, perfect for passenger cars with low clearance. Socks, super easy to install. If you're driving through serious snow, go with chains. Just need a little grip in a city storm, cables or socks might do the trick. Number 3, how do I know what size I need? Check the side of your tire. That's your tire size. If it starts with P, you'll need a passenger chain. Match that size to the packaging and you're set. Number 4, what chain pattern should I get? There are 2 patterns you'll mainly run across. Ladder pattern, simple, solid forward and backward grip, and diamond pattern, the smoother ride, better handling and traction. There are also H-pattern chains, which are usually for large equipment like tractors and loaders, etc. Pick your pattern based on your road conditions and needs. Number 5, do I need chains on all 4 tires? Front wheel drive, chains go on the front. Rear wheel drive, chains in the back. All wheel drive, check your owner's manual. More traction means more control. Number 6, how do I install tire chains? Some hook behind the tire, others lay them out, drive onto them, and fasten. Either way, it's easier than it sounds. We've got full install videos linked below. Number 7, how fast can I drive with tire chains? Short answer, slow it down. Most chains are rated for 30 miles per hour or less. They're for traction and control, not highway speeds. Number 8, will tire chains damage my vehicle? Not if you use them right. Damage happens if they're loose, if you go too fast, or if you drive on dry pavement. Always check your clearance. That's the space between your tire and your vehicle. Keep them snug and take them off when the road clears. Number 9, when and where should I use tire chains? Steep driveways, icy back roads, snow-packed hills, mountain passes during winter storms. If traction's a problem, that's when chains shine. Number 10, how do I maintain tire chains? After use, rinse off the salt and mud. Dry them completely, store them in a bag or hang them up, and check them for rust or damage before each season. A little care goes a long way. That's 10 quick answers to your top tire chain questions. Got more? Drop them in the comments. We might cover them next time. Need the right chains for your vehicle? Links in the description. Fit tools, install guides, and great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there.